you can see it says there since 2006. What does it mean? For the past 19 years, when we started this company, officially launched March of 2006, but we were already operating September of 2005. When we started this company, we believe in our hearts, we believe in our minds, we will become limitless. Hindi lang tayo pang food supplement, beauty products. It could be brand new car, or brand new cars, or brand new supercars, or brand new mega cars, ano man yan. So mga ngarap ka na rin lang, gawin mong limitless. Travel, dati ang travel na nasa isip mo, local lang. Ngayon we have limitless travel. The goal of AIM Global Group is to provide each and every one of you limitless opportunities to transform. Handa ka na bang magbago buhay mo? We will lay down all the cards, all the subsidiaries and divisions na pwede mong i-alok sa market mo. At pag ina-alok mo yan, the goal is to create your own community. Ano man ang grupo mo, whether you like it or else, pag may bumili ng ino-offer mo, may points, may kita ka, mababago buhay mo. So handa ka na ba sa pagbabago sa buhay mo? All you need to think, all you need to do is to become limitless.